Measuring the subjective angle.
In the software, we use simultaneous perception targets whenever we want to measure the alignment of the eyes. Simultaneous perception is when you have two different targets presented to each eye and is used to measure both the subjective and objective angle. Okay, Kelly, what we want to do now is measure your subjective angle. That's where your eyes will perceive two targets at the exact same time. So the first thing I want you to do is put on the glasses. The glasses are flipping back and forth so that she sees one target with each eye. She's seeing the parrot out of the right eye and the cage out of the left eye. The only way that she's going to see them both together is if both eyes are working at the exact same time. If one eye is not working, she'll see only the parrot, or if the other eye is not working, then she'll see only the cage. Now what do you see?
A parrot.
And what do you see now?
A cage.
Okay, so you can see that you see one image with one eye and the other image with the other eye. This is what I want you to do. Take this controller now. You can move the bird and the cage simultaneously, either up, down, or left and right. And I want you to put the bird right into the center of the cage. This is measuring the subjective angle. The subjective angle is where the patient perceives that their eyes are aligned. She's now putting the bird into the cage. And as you can see, there is a difference between the position of the bird in the cage, demonstrating that she has a subjective angle other than ortho or alignment.
Okay, the bird is in the cage.
Perfect. Now, once we've measured the subjective angle, we want to make sure that there's no anomalous retinal correspondence. Move the glasses back down, open your eyes real wide, look right at it, right at the cage, right at the bird. We see no movement, so we know that the subjective angle and the objective angle is the same. A patient who has a misalignment of their eyes may have aphoria and may be the cause of asthenopia, or they may have a misalignment of their eyes that is large enough to be called the strabismus. So if we have a patient with strabismus, now the next thing we would want to do is take a second-degree target and put it right at that angle and measure the fusional amplitudes.
The VTS, Vision Training System.